Hello everyone, I just want to do a quick video on the price action, the latest price action on KASPA. Since we reached an all-time high here of 4.2 cents, we've been in a corrective pattern. You can see here A, B, C. It seems that now the latest price action it suggests that we just broke that trend, although it's retesting that trend line. It's about to retest that, but this may be the starting point of a new wave. So I want to just go back and analyze what the price has been telling us and where can we go from here. I know there's been a lot of developments on KASPA. KASPA on Rust has been completed. A lot of exchanges they've been listing KASPA, and I think this is just the beginning of many partners, of many futures all-time highs. So what I've done here is I put a circle on every all-time high. You can see here. And every time we reach an all-time high, the first one was around September 27. What I do is I go to Google Trends, search for term KASPA worldwide past 12 months, and then I confirm what's going on, the interest over time, right, worldwide. So KASPA reached that first all-time high September 18 to September 24, and this is a lagging indicator, right? Because Google needs to compile all that data and analyze it. So between those days, September 18 and 24, they reached an all-time high in terms of interest. That was the same confirmed by the price. The second one was around November 27. Google Trends confirmed that was November 27. Then there was a peak here between February 26 and March 4th. The chart suggests that that was here, March 3. Then I posted a video that we were about to reach an all-time high again. The price of KASPA was really bumping and was going to the sky, and then we reached the highest price here, 4.2 cents. So what we can do here is look at the Fibonacci and Elliot Wave theory and try to estimate the next moves, right? This is just based on Fibonacci retracements and Fibonacci extension. So you can see here the first wave on a Elliot wave is made out of 5 moves. 1, 2, correcting pattern. 3, which is the extension, really impulsive, a big move. Then a correcting number 4, and then the last one, which is number 5. All these made up one wave, and then you see the correction A, B, C, and then you start the third wave, which is also made out of 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so we may be at the end of the first wave and the end of the correcting pattern. So if you can picture that, I can go back to my chart and I can say, all right, let's see, Elliot wave, impulsive waves. I can see here 1, 2, corrected, 3, really impulsive, which happened, then corrected 4, and then the last one, which is the last part of that extension, number 5, and then corrective. Let's do a corrective pattern, and there are many different corrective patterns. I'm going to show you the ABC. It's going to be A, B, C. All right, so if we compare against our typical Fibonacci, we may be at that point right now. We're breaking that point, the ABC completed. All right, so how can we estimate the next point of extension? So that would be 3. How can we estimate that? So what we do is usually wave number 3, and I'll show you here. Usually wave number 3 is 100% of wave number 1, 161% of wave number 1, 200% or 261.8%. So we actually have pretty good ratios that can confirm, a possible extension. So if I go here, I'm gonna go back to my chart. I'm gonna delete this. All right, what I'm gonna do now is, all right, so if I assume, I'm gonna say Fibonacci trend-based Fibonacci extension. All right, if I assume all these 5 moves are actually one big wave, and then I have a correcting pattern wave number 2, I can project what the third wave was gonna look like. All right, so what I'm gonna do here is, let's see here, all right, so The third wave will be either 100%, 161%, 261%, and so on. So I can say my probably made out of 5 moves. So my third wave will be something. It could be something like it could be. That's one possible. It will be. It could reach as high as 11 cents. This is one way of looking at it. I mean, we also can get only just a small one, right? 100%, which will be 5.7 cents. We can reach 161%, which will be 7.9 or 11 cents, 11.5 cents, and so on. Okay, and that's to give you an idea of what the price extensions could look like in the future, right? We're always gonna have to keep an eye of what's going on with the network and with the chain. So many developments since April 16. Here, 16, the KASPA on Rust. It's been completed. Efficient and modern code-based upgrade during testing. Anticipate gradual performance boost and case adaptability. No require from general users. No action required. So, and so many news have been seen on KASPA in terms of KASPA being listed on many exchanges. So this is really positive for the chain in general. If you go to the KASPA.org, in the news, there's a nice article on KASPA and the ASIC, right? Because that's something that I've been searching now on YouTube, and there are many videos on KASPA and the ASICs coming to the network instead of just mining with GPU. So you can read this article, pretty good article about KASPA and the power of just mining with ASICs. All right, so I just want to leave it at that. I think the future of KASPA is great, looks great, and I'm just gonna keep an eye on the price action. Let me know what your plans on KASPA. I'm gonna keep mining. I have GPUs on a couple of rigs assigned to KASPA, but I'm gonna keep mining as much as I can. I'm gonna start looking at the ASICs and see if I can post a video on the ASICs. I know there are many already out there, good videos. So let me know your plans. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy, and see you in the next one.